Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. Today it's going to be something a little different. I'm going to go up close. I just want to show how good this car is. There's great gloss off it. There are almost no marks on this car, and the paintwork is pretty much like new. I've had 2022 cars here with more marks on them than this. Front bumper, as we can see, low down, it's perfect. No marks, great gloss off it. Not a car that has any signs of car wash. Tiny little mark there. Look, you'd have to be lying on the ground to see it. As I said, if you walk around this car just normally standing, you'll see very, very little. There's almost nothing on it. Wheels do have some light curbing. It doesn't really show up on the camera terribly well. I'm not sure why, but I know it has the odd little mark on the wheels. Tyres are good. Front tyres are very good. More than half, less than half worn. Back tyres brand new. Tiny little mark there, as we can see. Again, standing back from the car, look, you wouldn't see it. I'm being very fussy, and again, like, I have the camera very low so it can be seen. Very, very little peppered marks there. I might just touch those in. Actually, you wouldn't really see them. You wouldn't really see them anyway. Tiny little chip here. You wouldn't really see it. There's a very light scratch. I'd say a bit of wax actually might take that out of it. Won't take the little tiny chip, but it'll take the little bit of a scrape just after it. Again, look, you'd want to be sitting on the ground to see it. Back tyre, as I said, is brand new. Another tiny little mark. I'd say somebody opened the door against that, but sure, I've seen an awful lot worse. Again, standing back, you wouldn't see it. Edges of the doors, things like that, perfect. Mirrors, perfect, no scrapes. No little dents, no nothing. Again, like, look, a bit of wax on that, it might take it out for a bit of polish. Has parking sensors front and rear, as we can see. There's the front tyres. They're very good. It's a bit hard to see in the dark with the camera, but look, take it from me, the tyres are very good. Less than half worn. Again, the bonnet, bumper, nothing. Now that's me trying to show the other tyre. That's better. You can see that. The tyre is good. Again, the edge of the mirror, nothing. Great gloss. Real leather. Now this is one thing that really sold the car to me. I like the colouring, I like the wood, but the leather, again, perfect. No wear on the seat bolster like most of them do. And it's not, a lot of these with the cheaper leather, just if you call it leather, it's plastic on the base models. It cracks. That's only rubbish. That was a significantly expensive, like, it was quite, I think it was around €5,000 to get that leather when the car was new. But I think it stands to it. It's very nice, it's thick, it's, it's real quality feel. Right, trying to show the roof. No dents, no marks, no scrapes, no chips, no nothing. Again, car very clean. Mileage is only 94,150 kilometers. NCT is 324. Even if it had an NCT or needed a new NCT, I wouldn't be worried about it. Boot mat like new. Little bit of light rain there. Spare wheel never on it. I'd say it was never the Jackson tools, and I think there's a lock nut on it as well. Wasn't even taken out. Everything is perfect, like new. It's about as good as you're going to get in a second-hand car, that's for sure. I think most of my cars are clean and straight, but like, this is wow. Oh, it's taxed as well, April 2024. And there's one of the warning triangles. Has tools and all that. I did check them. We have an inspection report as well, an AA 101 point inspection report. I might try and include it in the video. In there, again, spotless. Came in like this. Came in really, really clean. All the original stickers. Everything looks like it's a couple of weeks old. Doesn't look like its age at all. Auto lights, cruise control. Nice steering wheel, again, no wear on it. 186 kilometers. Alright, so it's done 36 kilometers while it was here, 46 kilometers while it was here. Back seats, perfect. I don't like that armrest down, so put that up. freshly valeted. It's in the showrooms most of the time. Obviously I took it out just for the light to walk around it. The showrooms would be a little bit tight. We're in business over 20 years and we've over 100 excellent reviews on Google. Call me on 016260 Oh, there's 12 months warranty, optional 24 months warranty, and there's no bad news. AA report. I can send you a cartel and VMS report if you wish. Other than that, can't think of anything else. Thank you for watching.